If you saw my last video, then you would know that Claude 2 does a really good job at bypassing AI detectors. I pasted in a 1500 word blog post that we generated using Claude, and only 30% of that blog post was detected by AI. It was 70% undetected on Originality.ai's new update. So in today's video, I'll be doing a deeper dive into testing Claude 2 to see how it stacks up against various AI detection tools. I've primed the AI by telling it to write content that is less likely to be detected as AI, and it's given us some tips in which you can follow to write content that will be less likely detected. And then I've told it to use those tips to write us a 500 word blog post about how to be confident. So let's go ahead and copy this over. And first we'll be using Originality.ai because this is definitely one of the hardest AI detection tools to get by. And while that's being scanned, I'm also going to run this on the OpenAI Classifier. So this is the text classifier, which will tell you if stuff is written by AI or not. And as you can see here, it is very unlikely to be AI generated according to OpenAI. So that's also a good sign. Let's go back over to Originality.ai and we can see here that it's 98% original and 2% AI. So this is really good because if I do any tests for GPT-4, even if I try my best, I will most likely get about 50% to be detected by AI. So this is a great sign, but again, I wouldn't get too excited because I think Originality.ai just hasn't been trained on Claude 2. And I believe as Claude becomes more popular, they will then train their AI detection tools on Claude, which will make it much harder for you to bypass Originality.ai. But if you're very worried about AI detection, then Claude would be a great option for you. I would definitely recommend using this prompt that I used, which was telling it to write content that will be less likely detected as AI, and it will actually give you tips that you can use, and then you can use those tips to then write the content. Again, I'm going to do another test on GPTzero, and I'm going to paste that in there. Your text is likely to be written entirely by a human. So again, as we see here, Claude is able to pass all of the major AI detection tools. So just to test out to see if there is a difference with priming the AI and just asking it to straight up write you a 500 word blog post, I've asked it again to forget the tips above and just write me a 500 word blog post to see what score we would get in comparison to if we primed the AI. So this is the content in which we did no priming and it's still 93% original. So you can definitely just go ahead and generate your content using Claude, and you will have a high original score. If you wanted to make it a little bit higher, then you can prime the AI and then get some tips that you can follow to reduce AI detection scores. So let's quickly go ahead and test this again on Writer AI. And again, we're getting 100% human generated content. So this is a really good sign from Claude because they need to have some type of competitive advantage. And it seems as though being able to bypass AI detection tools will be one of the features that allow people to use Claude over ChatGPT. So again, I've just run one more example. I've asked it to write a blog post about how to become a millionaire. And we're going to do a new scan on Originality.ai. And we've also ran another scan on the AI classifier from OpenAI. And again, it's very unlikely to be AI generated. And I've ran it on GPTzero. Again, it's written entirely by a human, most likely. Writer AI, let's do another example here. And again, 100% human generated content. Let's head back over to Originality.ai. And again, we see here 99% original and 1% AI. In terms of plagiarism, 0% plagiarism. In terms of readability, 55.2. So you're able to get high readability, 0 plagiarism, and 0% AI detection when using Claude 2. So I do think that that is a great sign. I think that once they continue to improve Claude 2, it will be able to go head to head with ChatGPT and GPT 3.5 and 4. So this was a quick video. Just wanted to see if Claude 2 was able to consistently bypass AI detection tools. And at the time of recording this video, they are able to do so. And also, if you would like us to write you a free article or blog post, check out the link in the description below this video. We've been writing a lot of content for clients and we've gotten really good at creating high quality blog posts for any types of niches. So if you want to check that out, check out the link in the description below this video.